it's Alex of Prestige Worldwide Cards, pwwcards.com. We have a 4-box break of Revolution Basketball 2021-2022 going down tonight, Wednesday, June 15th at 9 p.m. Central Time. We are ready to get it going. 4 boxes in here. Let's see what we got. Good luck, everybody. Steph Curry Groove Parallel, nice, and Zach LaVine, Ayo Dosunmu, rookie for the Bulls. A redemption. Where's it points? No, it's redemption. Drew Holiday. Do the redemption in a second. We have a Wendell Carter Jr. Impact, and that's number 149. Sorry, the Wendell Carter Jr. is Magic, and it is 3 of 149 Magic. That goes to Corey P. And it is a James Bouknight rookie autograph. That's going to go to the Charlotte Hornets. Brad L. gets that one. And that was a Cade Cunningham Shockwave, too, so that's not bad. Not numbered, but still not bad. Trey Mann, rookie Groove, going out to the Thunder. Rookie of Keon Johnson. D'Angelo Russell, Astro, Vortex of Karl Anthony Towns. Ben Simmons for the Nets. That is an anniversary parallel, number 75. Interesting card. All right, Brooklyn, Travis S. Rookie of Santi Aldama. Santi Aldama. Aaron Gordon Groove. Rookie Revolution, Jalen Suggs. Davion Mitchell, Astro, rookie for the Kings. Sandro Mamalachevsky. Tough name there. Montrezl Harrell for the Hornets. That's an Astro. And a liftoff, Zach LaVine. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Jimmy Butler, both Groove Parallels, and an Isaiah Todd. Okay. Ooh, an autograph of Nikola Jokic. Very nice, going out to the Denver Nuggets. Denver, Anthony F. Nice vet autograph of Nikola Jokic. Very cool. Anthony F. gets that one. And then, wow, a Nikola Jokic anniversary. No, Cosmic Parallel, number 99. Same pack. 2 Nikola Jokic's. How about that? Nice pack for the Denver Nuggets. Anthony F. liking that one. All right. Aaron Wiggins. Thunder, rookie, Groove Parallel. Nice. Usman Garuba. All right. James Harden, Astro, and a Shockwave of LeBron James. Evan Mobley Vortex, and that is a fractal parallel. Rookie. Miles Bridges. Tyrese Halliburton. That is a fractal for the Pacers. That is Jeremy H. Kyrie Irving Vortex. Miles McBride, Astro, the Knicks. Herbert Jones, Pelicans. Bobby Portis, Astro. Supernova, Jalen Green. All right, box 3 coming up. LeBron James, Astro, and a Supernova of James Harden. Scotty Barnes, Rookie Revolution for the Raptors. Fractal on that one. And Keon Johnson, Portland. Nikola Vucevic, Groove. Shockwave, Kawhi Leonard. Herbert Jones for the Pelicans, Astro, and a rookie of Santi Aldama for the Grizzlies. Kevin Porter, Astro, Vortex, Damian Lillard. Karl Anthony Towns, Groove, and Sandro Mamukelashevsky, something for the Bucks. Paul George for the Clippers, and that is an impact, number to 149. 56, 149 for the Clippers. Franz Wagner. Jalen Suggs, Groove. And a Cameron Thomas rookie for the Nets. James Bouknight, Rookie Revolution, and that is a fractal parallel. Charlotte, Brad L. DeMar DeRozan, Groove, and Franz Wagner, Revolution. Or Vortex, rather. Josh Christopher, Astro. Aaron Wiggins, rookie for the Thunder. Astro of Jimmy Butler and a nice star factor of Giannis for the Bucks. Don't see many of those. That is hard to put in a penny sleeve, but we got it in there. Milwaukee, very nice hit for them. James in. Congratulations. Nice looking card. Ja Morant Groove. Jeremiah Robinson Earl, a rookie for the Thunder. We have Dejounte Murray. And that is a cubic 49 of 50 going out to the Spurs. Spurs. Jeremy H. There you go. Nice. 49 of 50. And Miles Bridges. Vortex, sorry. Jalen Suggs. Kind of a miscut there at the top, if you can see that. It's like fed through too soon. Anyways, that's a Astro for the Magic, and then a Bones Highland for the Denver Nuggets. Here's the last pack. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander for the Thunder, and Trae Young, Supernova. There you go. So the nicest, here's some of the nicer hits of the break. Ben Simmons, Trey Mann, James Bouknight, rookie autograph for Charlotte. Cubic, nice star factor for Giannis and the Bucks. James Bouknight again, Paul George, Impact, Aaron Wiggins, Nikola Jokic, and a Nikola Jokic autograph too. So that's cool. Denver did well. We'll get everything packed up and shipped out to you very soon. Thanks a lot for getting on that break. See you guys this weekend.